Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 100 Telegram members. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are not in this channel, you are missing out on some insane insight. Make sure to check it out. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ethereum right now, we are seeing a very nice pullback opportunity. But yesterday, we made an absolute killing in our Telegram channel. We shorted our 1580 level right around this level right here because of the fact that we were already trading below exponential moving averages, and you can see we had a very strong continuation to the downside, retesting our support here at 1540. I mentioned this to you guys many times. The reason why the 1540 level is going to be very important is, if you guys pay attention, this was the 20 exponential moving average. This is exactly where we took our profits, and as of right now, we are retesting the 9 exponential moving average as resistance. This is why I was expecting a nice pullback, but you can see overall in terms of the daily time frames, this range has become extremely choppy. I mentioned to you guys many times the reason why it tends to be choppy. Before the Fed meeting tomorrow, we are expecting a massive breakout formation or a strong continuation to the downside, and of course there are two possible plays here. Number one is the breakout formation from 1658. If the news is bullish tomorrow, we could be looking for a very nice retest opportunity on 1787. The reason why the 1787 level, of course, is very important, as you can see from previous price analysis. Once we broke out of 1658, we saw a beautiful long opportunity retesting our major resistance and then the continuation to the downside. In terms of the 1658 level, you can see from previous price analysis, when we actually retested this level multiple times failing to break out, we saw massive capitulation, as well as the fact that you can see that we also had the same BART formation that is currently being played right now. This is why I mentioned to you guys many times that BART formations are extremely dangerous, and you don't necessarily want to ignore them. When a BART formation is at play, you would much rather be in a short position than be looking for long opportunities. So that's exactly why I have been shorting all of these pullback opportunities. If we do see a breakout opportunity tomorrow, then we aren't going to be in the market anyways because of the fact of the volatility, but I would be expecting a short position possibly around that 1787 level. Now, in terms of the hourly time frames, this is pretty interesting. You can see that we rejected off the 9 exponential moving average multiple times. This was a very clean shorting opportunity every pullback, but as of right now, we have broken above the 9 and the 20. You can see that they are crossing in between each other. So the question would of course be, well, isn't this a long position? And I want to explain something to you guys. Usually when you have this sort of fake out after a massive move, this is literally just a pullback before another continuation to the downside. This would only become invalidated if we got above the 1612 level, because at that point then we can expect this massive V-shaped formation to play out. But this isn't the first time that we have seen such manipulation. You can see that back over here, once again, we saw the same sort of manipulation. Exactly at 1562, we retested our resistance at 1612, and immediately after, we pushed right back down. This is where emotions come into play, and of course, you don't want to be that one trader that pretty much exits his trade early and then gets wrecked on the opportunity to the downside. You want to wait and hold your conviction. The whole reason why we look for a conviction in this market is because we account for the fact of the choppiness. You're not always going to get the perfect entry like we got yesterday, and you have to be prepared for the other downside movements. Now, of course, in terms of the daily time frames, I did mention the fact that we can see a retest of the 20 EMA, and we did see a beautiful retest. We are retesting the 9 exponential moving average as resistance, but you can see that we are still somewhat in the overbought region on the daily. This is why I would much rather be looking for a stronger pullback opportunity down to around the 1421 level. And ladies and gentlemen, this trade is going to be life-changing money. If you guys are not in the Telegram, make sure to check it out, because again, these trades are easy trades as long as you can try to understand where exactly the market move might go. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.